Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add line and arrow shape in Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have prepared my Google Sheets and I'm going to add arrow and line to this column. First thing first, we need to go to the insert menu and we're going to select drawing. And then here you can choose either you want to draw line, arrow, elbow connector, curve, polyline, or scribble. And since we want to draw arrow and line, I'm going to select line first. And we just need to draw like this. And you can customize the color and the weight as well. And I'm just going to make it bigger. And we can save. We can click on save and close. Okay, and now the line has been added to my Google Sheets and I'm just going to place it right here in the line column. Okay, on the second one, I'm going to draw arrow. We can go to the insert, go to the drawing, and I'm going to select arrow like right here, and we can draw it. And I'm going to change the color. I'm going to apply green. Okay, and we can customize the weight. Okay, and save and close. Okay, and now the arrow has been added and I'm going to place it right here. Okay, I guess and that's all the way to add line and arrow shape in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.